In order to add this rational expression, first we want to make sure the denominators are the same, because just like any fraction, you cannot add or subtract them unless the denominator is the same. Since the denominator is the same, I'm going to keep that denominator. That makes my world a little bit easier. And then I'm just going to add the numerators, which is 2 and 1. It gives me a 3. I cannot simplify or factor this in any way, so that would be my final answer. In order to add this rational expression, we need to check for common denominators. I see that both of the denominators are x cubed, so I know my final answer is going to have a denominator of x cubed. Now I can just go ahead and subtract the numerator, which here is 3x minus 11. I'm going to check for any possibility of factoring. I can't factor anything from 3x minus 11. There's nothing I can cancel there. This would be my final answer. In this rational expression, we're actually going to add and subtract, and just like before, we need to check for common denominators. I can see that they all have a common denominator of x plus 8, so I'm just going to go ahead and add and subtract the numerators as I see them. It's going to be x squared plus 7x minus 8 all over x plus 8. But what I do want to do is check to see if I can simplify. I see the numerator looks like I may be able to factor it, so we can check. X squared leaves me with x and x. Positive sign comes down. A positive times a negative is a negative. All the factors of 8. And do any of these subtract to give me 7? Yes. So I'll be left with this. And then right away you can see that you can cancel. So once I cancel these, I'm left with just x minus 1 is my final answer.